Phagwah, happy Holi, and may this year bring great joy to us. Everybody understand the burning symbolically mean Prahlad and his paw was placed as a tongue in that fire. The paw was fireproof, we know, but in the end, instead of the paw to save, Prahlad was saved. So really what the Phagwah means, the celebration of good over evil. And we hope that if there is any kind of hate or so among our families here, everybody, this festival brings us the thought that there is no enemy, we are all one people, one family. And by doing that, the blessings of Prahlad will be with all of you.
त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव मन्त्रहीनं त्रियाहीनं भक्तिहीनं जनार्दनं यत् पूजितं मया देव परिपूर्णन्तरस्तमे पापकर्माहं पापयात्मा पापसम्भवा त्राहिमां कुण्डलिकाक्षं सर्वपापो हरो हरि।